This is the fastest way to change the orientation of a video on your phone. You gotta find the Photos app. Mine's on the home screen right here. If you can't find yours easily, just tap on this little search bar down here, start typing in Photos, you'll find it. Open Photos, find a video or record a video whose orientation you want to change, tap on it to open it once you have it, then tap on this icon down here, that's the adjustments icon. That takes us into this page right here. Tap on crop. Now, this little square with the arrow, if we tap on that, every time we do, it changes the orientation or rotation by 90 degrees. So you can have this video in any rotation or orientation that you want. You can also use these options down here to be a little more freeform. And you can rotate dynamically in interesting ways. This first one is called, I don't know what it's called. What is it called? I don't know. But it's pretty cool what it can do. And then this one rotates across the x-axis, so it kind of tilts the plane of the video. And then this one rotates on the other axis and again tilts the plane. And then you can at any time view what you have by pushing that play button there. So you can see the results on the video. And you can really make quite interesting effects pretty easily by just using those various rotation options. So if the plain Jane 90-degree rotation is not for you, maybe these options in addition to that would work out for you. When you're all done, tap on Done up here, and now this video has the adjustments that you made. If you want to revert back to the original, just tap on these three dots up here, and then tap Revert to Original, and then it's back to what it was. You can also duplicate this video by tapping on these three dots. Tap on Duplicate, it'll make a copy of the video, and then you can make adjustments on the copy, but also maintain the original. And if you do a lot of work with videos and photos, or if you take a lot of them, you're going to want to check out this video right here, which is going to help you find more space on your phone so you have more space for your videos and photos. This shows where all the hidden trash cans are on your phone. You can get up to 10 gigabytes of space back. So check that out. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.